This is the washing machines control panel. Here you will select the appropriate wash cycle. As you can see, the machine is already filled with water. Sort laundry according to care label. It's important to check the care labels to avoid damaging your clothes. Whites go in one pile and darks in another. That's it. The washing machine will take care of the rest. The washing machine will chime. Turn off once the cycle is complete. Now it's time to transfer the clean clothes to the dryer. This marks the last process of an automatic washing machine.